Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix voicemail alert sounds not working in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on sounds and haptics. And then click on new voicemail. After clicking on new voicemail, here you can select any sound on your voicemail, and if you want to select a classic sound, then simply click on classic, and here you can select a classic sound. And after select a sound, go back to your home screen. Your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then simply swipe down to your control center and click on do not disturb. If you turn on do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off your do not disturb, your problem will be fixed. So this is the way to fix voicemail alert sounds not working in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.